Good morning. Welcome to Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today is a really exciting day. Went to Alaska and we caught some beautiful Alaskan salmon. They vacuum packed it and sent it to us all ready to go. One of the most important things in order to make gravlax, which is not smoked, it is just cured in the refrigerator. You must take a pair of tweezers and you're going to go through your gravlax looking for what we call pin bones. And you need to get all these little pin bones out of your gravlax, out of your salmon. And it's very simple ingredients. We are going to be using fresh dill. We are using the zest of an orange, a zest of a lemon. We are going to be using sea salt, kosher salt. They say pink salt is great. Do not use regular salt. And we have a nice ratio between our salt and our sugar. Half a cup of salt, quarter cup of sugar. And the one secret ingredient is a quarter cup of vodka. So now that I have taken out all the pinholes, really important to use a Pyrex container. Do not use metal. We are going to follow Emerald's recipe. Okay, we're going to take a small bowl. We are going to dice up our dill. Yep, get that nice little dill all chopped up nicely. It's going to go into the bowl. He wants you to take 2 tablespoons. You put it on your zester and you just give it a nice little zest. All right, my lemon zest has been zested and placed into the bowl. Yep, looks about 2 tablespoons. Now the orange of 2 tablespoons looks like. When you zest, it all comes into this nice little corner, and what's so easy is you just take your little finger and slide it down, and we will get about 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Okay, so I am taking my half a cup of sugar. I am taking my 1/4 cup of sea salt, and I am taking my 1/4 cup of vodka. And this is all going to mix inside the bowl. Going to get a nice mixture. Now, simple. We're going to be taking this nice mixture, once it's all mixed up, and we're going to lay it right on top of our salmon. Cover it completely with this beautiful mixture. Is covered. Trick to this all is wrapping it in saran wrap really tightly, which I will show you.